I want to welcome each and every one. And you're supposed to know when I say this what to say. Who God bless? Who God bless? Mr. Trouble.
Boss say, you know.
Eh?
Dr. The Creed.
All right.
I see.
Nice lady with the soup. Nice lady drinking the
You're the
soup.
sip. Sip you have it.
Okay.
I feel to be on the camera. I lick your lips.
That was supposed to be a group shot, you know. Hey, Ajamo, that was supposed to be a group shot. It was supposed to be a group shot.
Supposed to be a group shot.
I see her. Steamed fish too. You want steamed fish? Or you want fried fish? Like you say, it takes a little while, so I want answer. You can go ahead and clean it. You come in. Yeah. Order yours. Rotate them up,
Big up yourself, Heather.
Big up yourself.
Lord.
God.
Oh, yeah, feature in there, sir.
Easy, man. There's a newcomer. She's a special guest.
Okay, that's true.
We have a feature, a special guest.
Okay, she's a virgin girl tonight.
First go.
As I say, you're the virgin girl tonight.
Heather, show us what they got. Young and free on the 7th.
Me and the deacon.
Or whatever, somewhere. Run over to the bar. Like
Yeah, murder has pulled down on the pull over, you know, wrong, you know. Want to see people face, you know, wrong, you know. Yeah, video I watch, want to see people face. I see a gunman in there, you know, but watch it, you know.
Ah, watch it. Hold on. I don't see the twin are coming in.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's rolling. That's sneaking. But we can't sneak in. Yeah, sneaking. Hold on, though. We can't sneak in. Hold on, man. We can't sneak in. DJ Gina, go in the middle of the twin. One in the middle of the twin. Stand up in the middle of the twin. Stand up in the center.
See that? See that?
Nice. Love it.
Thank you, ladies.
Love it.
I'm like, wait a minute. Nobody giving me no
We're soon finding.
We're soon finding.
Show.
I'm good, how are you?
When we see the twin, you know the party started. The twin running, you know the party started.
I'm a wing party. That's the last time.
Washington Garden found the link up. Washington Garden found the link up.
Excuse me. Watch it. Watch it.
I leave the party to you.
Not early?
Yes.
You come for the shrimp.
I came just to get a little bit of the energy.
All right, no problem.
Alicia. Okay, babe. I haven't seen you forever. What have you
We're talking about the 10th anniversary, 2026, the Outside Lounge. We say Outside Lounge, OSL. DJ Trouble is here, Sir Trouble. Sir Trouble Fire. Ricky Gina's father, TC Lewis and Modes. Streaming all over the world right now. Queens, New York. Memorial Weekend Friday. You hear music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. In the latter part, the new music. Want to say to the world, we're here in New York City, doing our thing. Enjoy. It's not a secret. Pop course ladies, what do you say? Agree that orange. It's a family day. The grown and sexy. Remember our rules? Nobody can smoke in this backyard. Nobody can smoke in this outside lounge. No smoking period.
Outside Lounge Friday. Ladies, come on. More music and let's talk. Let's go. CC and also the most, pick up yourself, alright? Sir Clank up on the ground. Ricky Genius, have you seen us? Pick up Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Long Island, New Jersey. That is it. Alright, let's go.
Hey, what's up? What's up, did it? We're on the midnight shift tonight. Midnight tonight, did it? Hello, Michelle, a midnight shift, everyone.
That's what we done was.
Where's Chevy there?
She right there.
Oh, Chevy. Chevy. What's up? All right.
What's up, darling? How you doing?
You're on the midnight shift tonight. Coming late tonight, boy. Nice seeing
Come
you.
drop off cakes. Them coming all the time.
Mixable attitude. Each and every other Friday. Outside Lowe's. Ladies, come on. Big soul, big soul.
DC, the money I talk to you.
I see the garden them come from now. Yeah, man. But me come from up in the hills. And them know that. And them go wash that garden. And then go back up into the hills. And then go downtown, come great problem and turn bad boy.
Big up to all my Bronx people. I get a little skate key style, you know, skate key. All the time I do the skate key style. Remember? All the time I do original skate key. Ladies, come on.
Ready? Give me some light. Oh, I'm good. You don't want to look at me? I know this is. Look at me for once. Yes. Here we go again. One more time. Ready? Thank you. We got the twins already?
Oh no, you didn't. Stop it. Tell him stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Tell him stop it. Stop it.
No, you got the twins.
Stop it. Stop it. Over you. Hey.
Big up myself, Heather. Large. Big up Heather. Large girl, listen up.
Large and in charge, right?
Large and in charge.
Large and in charge.
Some light on the situation. Some light on the situation. Oh my God. There you go. You're nice too. Why you make me cry?
Look for the tallest man.
I'm going to this little corner here.
That is Sister Stephanie. So she put her weight, she get me. She put her whole heap of weight to her. That is it. All right, good. Ricky Genius, have you seen us? Celestia, Sir Conker, Troublesome and the baby. Ryan, big up. Ha.
Sir Conker, Troublesome.
What are you drinking there, young girl?
I have tequila and cranberry.
Tequila and cranberry. Young girl drink that. Young girl drink that.
Once you sit down, you know that's that.
Hello, good night. Gotta get a picture of that nice girl out there.
Come on, Auntie.
Auntie, come, show it. Photo. Hello, you got a pose for the photo.
I wouldn't hide over this.
Hello.
Yeah, hide.
You can't hide. Are you pose that?
Yeah,
Ray.
It is so full of it.
Right there. Hello, I need a photo right here of this group. Everybody look pretty. Nice. Drama, get a picture of the group right there. Yeah, the group right there. Especially the serious one here.
Ladies, I want you to sing out. Come on, ladies, come on.
What DJ? What's DJ? Hey. You gotta get up, you gotta get down.
You know what's the second look last night that DJ saved my life. Every time you meet them talk about them now and they're not DJ.
She nearly dead. Stacey, she nearly dead.
I might ask why. I don't know.
I don't know what I do.
Hey. Ladies, I want to hear you.
Last night a DJ saved my life.
For sure.
Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life.
Yeah.
Mix it, trouble, mix it. Taking it back in the days of the real disco. Taking it back to the days of the real disco. Every woman sing, every lady sing.
Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
I want to hear the big chorus.
Can't hear you.
Another one bites the dust.
That's good.
Take it back.
Another one bites the dust.
What?
And another one gone. And another one gone. And another one bites the dust.
I'm gonna get you too.
Another one bites the dust.
Oh yeah.
Say outside loud. Well, make up a big friend for Washington Gardens. Bobby, for Washington Gardens, know each other for our 7-year-old. See you, boy.
Feelings can't explain what after all this time, my heart still feels
Sing, ladies. Ladies. Every woman.
No, so can bring Gavin over there. Let me know when they come to game what time, so I can bring Gavin over there.
Say what?
you will be my Saturday love.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Look at the DJs. Trouble. Ricky Venus. Can't want it better than this body right over there.
We made you commit the first mistake.
Ladies, if you want to stay warm, you got to dance. Get on some soup too. Drink some white rum too. We're gonna party wild. Stats. Stats. Look at the stats. Start with the first and most. Man, you know me messing you right. Andrew, take the car.
You count up the years and they will be filled with
you got your baby, but you ain't got your man.
while he's busy loving every woman they get.
Everybody sing. This is all we to the outside now. Trouble. TC. Once a good night to Alex. Once a good night to Alex. Mommy, you know that? I mean, you are. If you don't function. And our husband go me. Want you to the black lady sing. And the natural brownies. You ever said the natural brownies?
You're simply true.
play. And then one more, let me bring in Ricky Genius, have you seen us? See the bad part of the song, yeah? This is the bad part of the song, this year. Bad part of the song, yeah? Jesus Christ! Lisa Linda, big up. Campus ladies.
That's gonna break away. Sing it, guy. Yeah, yeah.
Never be hung up like my enemy.
Got to take the time out to pick up the Joyride family. Joyride family, big up. Good night, my good mission. Crackers, Lady Barbara, Lady Diane, Concourse Lady, come on. When you come my way. Oh, yeah. Big up to my ladies over 40, looking good and feeling good.
Let's go.
Ladies, come on. Over 40 still look like 30. Ladies, true. 60, I look so good. What's up? Anybody over 50 in here?
Over 60.
Big up to the ladies over 50 and look like 40. Over 50 and look like 25. Ladies, come on.
Over 60, I
I look so good.
What did you say?
Over 70. How am I in here? Ladies, talk the truth. They make a mistake and picking it for your brother or your sister. Talk the truth. Then the kids walk on the road and they feel like your sister or your brother or whatever. That is it. And then big up. Hot fire upon the globe. Cocktails at your favorite place. Oh, ladies, come on, let's go. And the grandmother in here. How much grandkids? Hey!
Look a young girl, watch your grandmother.
This time grandmother.
Look a young girl. See a young girl, watch your granny.
No.
Look a young girl, watching her granny.
Not yet.
Ricky Genius, have you seen us? Come on. You were my future. All right, girl. See the bad part now. See the bad part. And already, when I'm thinking of TC.
DC, you gotta untangle my card. My card need untangling.
Hey.
Stop. 10 seconds. 50 seconds. Tell them.
Okay, we're gonna make a change up.